Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob, Trade Genius, 29th of August. And this is more training kind of information here. So I'm making it public, but I just want to also talk to our subscribers here. Just as a reminder of the control they have with trading with us. Even though I give trade signals out every day, you're not limited to, what I'm looking at or what I'm trading. And I just wanted to show you just how easy and simple it is for you to find opportunities and to trade on them. And so this one here, Shabani Gold, is a trade we're in right now. And we're still on it. And this is just looking back over the last couple days. This chart is an hourly chart. And depending on your style, you can trade down to the 15-minute. You can trade up to the daily. If you're going to day trade it, we use a little bit different approach, so I'm not going to really address that right now. And what we have here is the simplest of indicators. So our profit ribbon has the ability to also display the standard deviation lines for linear regression. And so we have two profit ribbons. So you set 1 to 2 standard deviations, you set 1 to 3 standard deviations. It's in the profit ribbon training playlist, so I won't get into the details here, but it gives you a range then of oversold areas to overbought areas. In addition to the profit ribbon, the fast is set to 11, the slow is set to 22, is that we also have a 144 simple moving average, and it's a good bull bear line. Okay, so you want to be reluctant to trade anything under the 144 unless you start seeing buy signals down here in -2 or -3, because then you might catch a move up to the center line. Otherwise, just look for stuff that's already considered, a bull or it's trending higher. So, if you make 3% in a week and you do it consistently, you're making 150% a year. Okay, so just to show you, and this is in 1 week. It had 2 trades on Shabani, and you're in good shape. I trade the same stuff over and over again. I have my focus list. I'm constantly looking at it, and also what I could do is I could set up alerts. Okay, and you could set up anything that you want to watch. I'm looking all day long, so I don't do too many alerts. GBTC, I'm day trading a little bit, so that's why you saw all those alerts. But otherwise, I'm just scanning every hour to see if anything is hitting my my buy screens or my sell screens. So with Shabani is that we had a buy signal here. Okay, that alerted me that the fast ribbon was turning up. Second confirmation is that it crossed up through the slow ribbon, and since it was under the 144, didn't know if it was going to hit it and bounce down. So you waited, but then I got a secondary signal. The slow ribbon also turned up. So you take the trade, and then you set your stops. 3% is a good rule of thumb. You can set them tighter if you want. You can always move them up, and then you just let this trade run. And in this situation here, it pushed all the way up past 3 standard deviations. Okay, if you're actually watching it, that would have been a great place to exit, but you definitely want to exit if it comes back down through the 2 standard deviations after penetrating all the way through the channel like this, and just take your profit and just wait for it to set up again. And then indeed it did, just the very next day. And our buy signal, this is the one we entered. Okay, and we entered at, I think it was 1170. We entered because I saw the thing hit, and I caught it a little bit lower than what you're seeing here. So I got 1170. We record all our trades, and we publish them in real time, so it comes out to our subscribers on Telegram, and then we pushed it up. And I'm still in the trade. I'm waiting here now. A lot of times what happens is, you see right here, you get this slow fast ribbon coming in. It starts to come back towards the slow ribbon, and then it pushes up again. We call this a continuation pattern, and this is very profitable to kind of stay and hang with it. So we have this coming in here. So now I'm watching to see if it turns back up. I'll be moving my stop up on Monday to make sure that I make profit, and then if I get taken out, I'll watch it again, and in the meantime I'll look for somewhere else to put my cash. So I hope that helps, and that's how you use it. So set up your watch list, trade what you want to trade, and then I try to put out 1 or 2 signals a day, and other than that, I want you guys to become independent and become effective. And you can find 6 or 10 different stocks and just keep trading them. And so that's it. You guys have a great day, and I'll have a bunch of videos out this weekend. I think the world is going to drastically change here in the next 5 or 6 trading days, so I think we're going to have to buckle up. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.